Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the crystal Clear Quartz, the Stone of Amplification. For those who are subscribers, welcome back. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And today is an opportunity to practice. Guided meditations are where we sit with a gemstone and really get a feel for how the energy of that gemstone helps us. And today, we're working with Clear Quartz. It's such a phenomenal and useful stone. And today I'm wearing Clear Quartz. I have a bracelet and a pendant. And if you feel like Clear Quartz is a stone you'd like to explore more, I have these and Reiki tumbled clear quartz in my Etsy store, and the link to that is in the description below. But you don't need a gemstone today to benefit from this guided meditation. So sit through the meditation, listen to the scenarios, and if anything in particular really speaks to you, really draws you, or sends up some red flags, it's a sign that you should probably get some clear quartz and work with it some more. And if you haven't already watched the video, Improving Your Life with Clear Quartz, I invite you to pause this video and go watch that one, and I'll put a link in the eye above. It's not very long, but it will give you a really good feel for the benefits and the energy of clear quartz before we start in on this guided meditation. So now, let's get started with our meditation. If you have a piece of clear quartz, you'll need to get that and put it beside you. We're not going to be starting holding the stone. And then you'll need to find a really comfortable seat. So that could be on a cushion on the floor, if you have a meditation cushion, or in a chair, on a couch, or even directly on the ground outside. You know, oh, this would be awesome at a beach too, if you're listening on your iPhone. Anyway, the most important is that you're able to sit comfortably for about 10 to 15 minutes. So once you have found your seat, then I invite you to close your eyes and take several deep breaths. Bring your awareness to your breath and to your body. And notice how your body is feeling right now. Your energy and your emotions. Without trying to change or fix anything, just notice where you're starting off. How does everything feel right now? And bring your attention to that places on your body where you connect to the cushion and the floor beneath you. Just a reminder that you are supported, that you are sitting directly on top of the entire earth. That the whole of the earth and the energy of the earth, it's supporting you right now in meditation. pick up your clear quartz and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand, and it will receive the energies of the quartz. And as you breathe, take some time to really feel your piece of quartz. Is your quartz tumbled? Is it smooth? Is it a point? Are there sharper bits? Is it smooth? Are there crevices? And take a few breaths to really get to know your piece of quartz. Notice again how your body is feeling. Notice any tensions, tightnesses. Look at your emotions, the state of your mind. We check in with these multiple times during the meditation so you can see if anything changes. And then imagine a bright white light shining out from your crown chakra on the top of your head. And that light gently showers down over you. It clears any blockages, cleanses your energy, and it just swirls around you, clearing and cleansing. And sit with this image of clear quartz energy for a couple of breaths. Clear quartz is the stone of amplification. And as you sit here with the clear quartz, consider the following situations. Have you been feeling a little off in your energy or just off kilter in general, and you're not really sure why? Are you in the process of setting intentions for your future or for an upcoming project? Are you an energy healer in any form? Reiki, quantum, sound? Do you use energy to heal others or yourself? Are you recovering from an illness? Are you interested in expanding your intuitive abilities or doing past life or karmic work? All of these scenarios are deeply supported by clear quartz. And if one of these situations stood out to you more than the others, if it felt really comfortable or it felt really uncomfortable, one that stood out more than the others, then let's sit with that for another minute or two while you hold the clear quartz. As you think of this situation and hold the clear quartz, just notice if anything changes. Try not to force anything, just watch. And how does your energy feel right now? How's your body and your mind feel? Has anything at all changed from when we started? And bring your awareness back to your body and release the scenario. Let the image of the clear quartz energy release from your mind. And we're just going to come back to your breath. And you can put the clear quartz down and just breathe. And when you feel ready, you can open your eyes. Take a deep breath. Thank you so much for joining me today during this guided meditation with clear quartz. And I hope something useful arose for you during the meditation. And these meditations are meant to be repeated. So if something really stood out to you, if it really called to you, then that's a sign that you should have a piece of clear quartz if you don't have it already, and that you should repeat the meditation. So the intention is that you sit through this meditation with your quartz about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can really call up the energy of the clear quartz quickly. Like when you feel that you need it, you can pick it up and it's there for you. That's the intention here, and that's how you start incorporating crystal healing for your everyday occurrences in your life. So thanks again for joining me. And if you're interested in learning about crystals and doing a deep dive every single week, I post 2 videos a week. On Thursdays, I post a video about the healing and supportive benefits of a gemstone. And then on Saturdays, I post a guided meditation with that gemstone every single week. So if you're interested in learning more about a new gemstone every week, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again next week. Thank you.